Good morning, students. Myself Kamal Nath. Once more, I welcome you in my class of English. Student, you know very well, we are learning chapter 10, and that is the Kabuliwala. And I have already taken 2 classes. I have sent you 2 videos related to this class, this chapter, and I am sure you must be learning, you must be reading and watching the video minutely, and whatever I have sent through those videos you must have noted down in your copy, and you must be learning them very minutely, very carefully. Thank you, student. And today is the 3rd video, and in this session of video I am going to discuss the rest of the question answers of the exercise that is given in your text. At the same time, I am going to conclude you the chapter, the last part of the story. What does the story tell us in the end? At the same time, some moral lessons of the story. So, let's review. You know very well what happened in the story, how the friendship between the two, Mini and Rahmat, grew stronger, and there was a turning point as well in the story when Rahmat had to go to jail as he had made an assault. And now we will go here further. What happened after he was released from the prison and he decided to meet Mini once more to see her. Although he was thinking Mini the same only as he had left 10 years earlier. He thought Mini will be still a girl, an innocent girl, little girl, but he didn't consider the 10 years of his imprisonment when he was in prison. And after he returned, first he visited Mini's house, and what happened further, that we are going to learn. I am explaining you in the online class thoroughly, line-wise, everything. Here we are only concluding the summary of that last part. First video contained the first part, beginning part of the story, as the story is so big. In second video, I explained you the summary which contained in the middle part of the chapter, and this is carrying you the last part, that is concluding part of the story. So let us see. As I told you about Kabuliwala, when Kabuliwala visited the house of Mini, he was, it is here 2 times here he returned, he was taken aback to see her. He was startled. He was very much surprised to see Mini. He could not recognize and struggled to cope with the reality of the time he lost while imprisoned. He knew that he had been away for 10 years, and that's why this 10 years time was enough to change a person. And so had Mini changed. He was tormented by the thought of having lost of his own daughter's childhood. He felt pain. In fact, he was very much grieved to feel that his daughter too must have grown like Mini, whom he had left in his own homeland. She would have been a grown woman like Mini. And this idea tormented his mind. Mini's father understood his precious condition, through which condition, mental condition he was passing, and offered him enough money for a safe trip back to Kabul and a reunion with his own daughter. So, realizing the plight here of Rahmat, the speaker, the writer, offered him enough money so that he could go back to his own homeland, Kabul, and he can again meet his own daughter. Even Mini's mother, as she was so suspicious earlier, she also realized his condition, So realizing her misjudgment, how she has misjudged about Rahmat, she had suspected him, his conduct, his nature, his intention. Realizing her misjudgment, extended the money she had saved for Mini's wedding ceremony. She also offered the money to Rahmat, what she had saved for Mini's wedding ceremony. So here, Mini's father set aside a portion of the wedding expenses, like for lights, etc., in order to arrange 100 rupees for Rahmat, for Kabuliwala. In a way, they could sympathize the plight of another parent longing for his long separated daughter. And in this way, he helped the Kabuliwala, he helped Rahmat so that he could go his homeland, he could meet his daughter, he could rejoin and make a reunion to his own family members. So this was what here, the story that is in the last. No doubt I will give you the detail when I will explain you in the online class the last part of the story. Here, student, what is the key lessons? We have here learned the whole story, what happened in the story. Very interesting, very here, what you can say, innocent here girl made a friend like Rahmat, the hawker. And what was the end here in the story that we have seen here? What is the key lessons that we are learning? The fundamental message of the story is that people have the ability to do good as well as bad to others. Often, it is easier to side with our fears and suspect someone who is not like us. It can be a different skin, color, or a different language. But if we are patient with people and try to understand their situation and problems, then we can find some common ground. They go through the same emotions and conflicts as we do. They are also faced with difficult choices like us. Therefore, we must show empathy for their struggles if we expect to receive the same from them in the end. We all live to make each other's life easier and worth living. This is the purpose. This is the motto of our life. So that we can live here comfortably, we can make our life easier and happy. At the same time, our effort should be that we should try our best how we can make the life of others also easier and worth living. So let's now proceed to understanding the text, that is a question answer, student, which were left here. And here we are starting from the third question of the text. So let us see. When he saw that Mini was not amused, not entertained, he added, I would have hit the father-in-law, but how can I? My hands are tied. This is the statement that was told by Rahmat, Kabuliwala. Why was Mini not amused? Mini was not amused because he was not carrying his bag at that time and his hands were tied. He was dragged by two policemen. She saw that he was dragged by two policemen. He had no bag at that time. Do you find what Kabuliwala says here is funny, or do you find it sad? Explain your answer. Actually, Kabuliwala, what Kabuliwala says here is not funny, but it is sad. But it's sad as he wishes that he had hit the person badly if he would not have been tied. That means it reveals his violent nature, that he could really kill him. This shows his violent nature. As for Mini, here the next is here. As for Mini, even her father would have to admit that her behavior was very regrettable. which behavior of Minnie's did the speaker find regrettable and why? The speaker found Minnie's forgetfulness as regrettable behavior. You remember very well when Rahmat came and Minnie was no doubt here, not able to really recognize Rahmat, her friend, her childhood friend. The speaker tells that Minnie forgot Rahmat very soon and made friends with the housekeeper and made more and more female friends. So her forgetfulness here, he refers that it was a regrettable behavior. Next one is, was Minnie's behavior natural? Did her friend change in a similar manner? Answer will be yes. Minnie's behavior was natural as she found that kind of amusement what she used to find in Rahmat. He found that amusement in other people like housekeeper and other females. So she made her several friends. She mixed with the people, and so the moments with Rahmat faded from her memory soon. Means she forgot the moments she had spent with Rahmat. No, her friend did not change. This is what here the second part. Second part of the question is asking you, did her friend change in a similar manner? The answer will be no. Her friend did not change in that way as he was matured and found his daughter's love in Minnie. After release from the prison, he first decided to meet Minnie, and this shows he had not forgotten her. Next question is here. Their first meeting came to my mind. I felt a strange ache in my heart. This is the statement of the speaker, the narrator, the author. Why did their first meeting come to the speaker's mind? When Rahmat saw Minnie, he could not believe that she had grown up to such extent. He was still remembering her as a child, as so innocent child as he had left her while going the prison. Minnie was not as friendly as she was with him now, as the time and situation both had changed. So the speaker remembered their first meeting, how both were so happy. Why do you think the speaker felt a strange ache in his heart? The speaker felt so because he realized the plight, the miserable situation of Rahmat. He understood how Rahmat felt on seeing Minnie on her wedding day. He thought that his long separated daughter also must have grown like Minnie. So the narrator, the speaker, realized his plight, his miserable situation through which mental condition he was passing, and so he felt a strange ache in his heart. So this was what here the exercise, and these were some of the questions that I have discussed with you. I am sure, my dear students, you all will write down these questions and answers in your copy. You will note and you go through whole chapter minutely. Learn all new words that is explained. I have explained several other words while explaining the chapter. So I am sure all of you must have understood the whole chapter, the concept of chapter. At the same time, you must also be here so serious about your duty, that is to write everything, to do here home assignment, the grammar based questions that I will discuss and explain you during the online class. So thank you, students. Thank you for joining this video and being with me, listening carefully. Thank you. Thank you so much.